Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy boy here, and today we're going to make pizza. A bit of a different way to try out. I got a different way that I want to try out. Cooking it in the fireplace, so it's kind of like a wood-fired pizza. Yeah, seen a few videos of people making pizza in cast iron pans in the oven, so I thought I'd give it a crack and try it in the fireplace. So first thing I did obviously was just make some dough. For that I added 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, about a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and just some oil, about 2 teaspoons, and half a cup of water. I did that in the bread maker and then let it rise for about an hour. While I was doing that, got the fire cranking. Let that heat up for about an hour while the dough was rising, and then I use these cast iron pans, and obviously if they've got like wooden handles, you want to take them off, and just for obvious reasons, so they don't catch on fire. And kind of let the fire die off a bit before putting the pizza in. Kind of made like a flat area to sit the pans, and then you just chuck it in. I made one small pizza, as you can see, one bigger one. Tested out the small one first. Did get a bit burnt on, but probably left it in there a bit long. So the next thing I did was did the big one, the big pizza. When you get it out, I just use like an oven mitt. I'm gonna be careful with this, it might be like pretty hot, and I just chucked that onto like a breadboard so I could carry it away. Chances are you're not going to be able to hold it and carry it to wherever you need to take it, like the kitchen. But yeah, you want to be careful with that, it might be super hot. And yeah, this is the end result. Turned out alright, probably cooked a bit quicker on the bottom, I guess, because it was closer to the heat as opposed to the top. Started to bit, and it was very, very smoky, the pizza, which I guess expect if it's been cooked within like a fire. I don't really know how it compares to pizza in an actual pizza oven. I guess one day I'll probably try and make one for myself. As you can see, this like rose up quite a bit too, so maybe that is because of the heat and the fire. I thought about putting charcoal in to the fire, but apparently I had a look online and it said it can get too hot for your fireplace. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment if you want to, and I will see you guys later.